Hey everyone, if you ever worried about the prying eyes while working in public spaces, today's video is just for you. We are looking at the magnetic privacy screen filter for MacBooks, designed to keep your sensitive information safe from side glancers. Let's dive into what makes this privacy screen a must-have for MacBook users. Installation is a breeze thanks to the magnetic design. Just align it with your MacBook screen and it snaps right into place. Plus, it's easy to remove without leaving any residue. The screen utilizes special anti-peeping technology that limits the viewing angle to just 45 degrees on either side. That means anyone trying to glance over from the side sees nothing but a black screen, keeping your work confidential and secure. But privacy isn't the only perk. This screen also boasts high transmittance and an anti-glare coating. It's designed with an OCA optical layer that keeps your display crystal clear when viewed head-on, while reducing glare that can cause eye strain, especially beneficial if you spend long hours in front of your screen. And here's something cool, it's dual-sided. One side is frosted to minimize glare, perfect for bright environments, while the other side has a glass finish that enhances privacy. You can choose which side suits your needs at any time. For durability and maintenance, well, this privacy screen offers some scratch resistance, but it's not specially designed to prevent scratches. Therefore, while it may prevent some additional protection, it cannot be fully relied upon to prevent all physical damage. It is also designed to be anti-fingerprint and dust-proof, but the actual effect is not very good. If I'm not careful, it will quickly become covered in fingerprints. It also easily collects dust, requiring frequent wiping. So that's the magnetic privacy screen filter for MacBooks, a simple solution for anyone looking to protect their privacy without sacrificing screen clarity or dealing with cumbersome installations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and check out the link in the description to learn more about this product and others. See you next time.